Welcome back to the channel for another unboxing. Today we have a 2-pack Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Supra dual pack with the old and new one, which is very, very cool. So let's check these out. So here's a close-up of the artwork, car culture set, real riders. So you have the old 94 or 97 Supra and the new 2021 GR Supra. Here's the back. We also picked up this set as well. There was only one of each on the pegs. Here's your code if you're looking for it. Pretty excited about this one. I don't have a Supra in the set or in my collection. As you can see, it's nicely packed. Throw this away. Double packed. Ooh, which one do we get to first? I think I'll do the newer one first. So this is the new 2021 Supra Premium. Interesting paint. It's like a matte finish. Of course, you're black on the hood there. Premium wheels. Decals front and back. Metal base. 2020. And of course, the front. Now, I believe this was a premium before. I could be wrong. You guys can correct me in the comments. But this is a pretty nice model. Love the new Supras or BMWs. Here is the older one. Now, they made a few of these, I believe. A few different sets. Great rim choice, by the way. Absolutely legendary car. Front tampos look great. Very clean. Metal wing. Great detail on this car. Of course, you have your plate, and your decals on the back, and your exhaust. There's the underside. Here, let's switch this around. So it must be 2016 Mattel. So it must have been in another set that I don't have. But yeah, all in all, great set. I'm super excited to put these in the collection. It's cool how the Supra evolved. Same with the 90s cars, the NSX, the Supra. Pretty cool. And of course, the new 350Z is pretty cool too. Not gonna lie. I think they just call it the Z now. Yeah, it's very cool. So be sure to like, subscribe, follow. My socials will be linked in the box below. So talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. So to go along with the Supra here, we also just picked up the R34 with the same tampos, same decals. Great combo. And really, they just knocked out of the park with these two. It's pretty wicked, actually. Wouldn't mind a 2-garage setup with these two. That would be a cool 2-pack as well. But yeah, great day. Man, picked both of these up today. I'm super happy. Got to unbox them for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy that. Talk to you guys soon.